Hello everyone, let us provide a solution to this quadratic equation. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let's get started. We're asked to find the values of x that can satisfy this. So let me show you what I'm going to do. We are going to solve it by completing the square method, but we are going to skip some steps mentally. So remember, we're only concerned with the first two terms, and this is how we're going to do that. We take x, then half the coefficient of x. The whole of this is the coefficient of x, and if you divide it by 2, you have only negative square root of 3. You close the bracket and square everything. Then you subtract this constant squared. Negative square root of 3 squared is just 3, but you should drop this one down. We have minus 9, and this is equal to 0, right? And x minus square root of 3 whole squared is equal to, if you add these two, you're going to get negative 12, but once it crosses over the equality sign, it becomes positive 12. Take square root of both sides. You have x minus the square root of 3 equal to plus or minus the square root of 12. You should know that square root of 12 is the same thing as 2 times square root of 3. Yes, because 12 can be written as 4 times 3, right? And square root of 4 is 2. So we can confidently take negative square root of 3 to the right. X is now equal to positive square root of 3 plus or minus 2 times root 3. Alright, so the two values of x are either square root of 3 plus 2 times square root of 3, or x equal to square root of 3 minus 2 times square root of 3. And if you simplify this, we have 3 root 3 here, and here we have minus root 3. So these are the solutions to this problem. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. Bye bye.